very warm greetings to all and welcome back to my channel once again. Before we proceed, I want all the viewers to like this video and subscribe my channel English Learning. In today's session, we are going to see a very important topic, which is note making. It is really important topic for English board exam. So we will learn some tricks and techniques that can be used while writing note making, and we will be concentrating or focusing on that how we can score good marks. Do's and don'ts as well we will be focusing on. Let's proceed. Now here we have a marking scheme for writing note making. So this question is asked for 3 marks in board exam. So as you can see, the bifurcation of marks here, covering all points, that will be there for 2 marks, and presentation, it will be having 1 mark. So in this way it is asked for 3 marks. Now let's have a look on what is note making. Without knowing any logic or reason or the meaning of this term note making, I don't think so it will create any kind of interest in our mind to learn it. So let's have a proper understanding about note making and what is the use of it. The first point, as it is mentioned here, note making is a way of jotting down the important points or keywords either while listening to someone, explanation in class, or while reading the book. We sit in the lecture, we listen to our teachers, they explain something for us, and sometimes we read a book, some important passage, some important answer. So when we reading something or when we listen to someone, so after listening or while listening, whatever points we jot down, so with the help of those points later on we can create notes, and these all keywords, these all jotted down points are called as note making. It's an easy and time saving way to prepare a notes. It's an easy and time saving. How? Because whenever we don't have so much of time to write everything, so we jot down some important points or keywords, and with the help of those keywords we can start recollecting or recalling the entire or the whole answer. So that way it is time saving and easy way to prepare notes or make notes. Now there are a few steps mentioned in this slide which we have to be very careful about. The first point, the very first step is that the given passage should be read thoroughly once. Now here we are talking in terms of scoring marks in board exam. So what are the things which we need to be very careful about? The first point is given here, the first step is given here, which we need to follow is that we have to read the given passage very carefully. Whatever passage is given in the question paper, that needs to be read very carefully. Now second point, the second step, go through the structure carefully given to be filled. And as we all are aware that there is always a structure given, and in that structure there are few blank spaces given. So those blank spaces are supposed to be filled with the help of the given extract. So first we will read the passage, then we will see what are those blank spaces to be filled. Now the third step, it can be in any form, either tabular, tree diagram, or any other form. So you might have come across many different types of structure. So here a few examples I have mentioned. So whatever diagram, whatever structure is given, so we need to just read the paragraph, and in that structure, whatever blank spaces are given, we need to fill those blank spaces with the help of the given extract. After going through the passage and the blank spaces, you need to jot down the keywords. So once we will read the passage and then we will jot down the points, and after jotting down the points or keywords, we will be starting filling them up in the given blank spaces. So that will be the final step. The final step is that you will fill the blank spaces. So this is the final step. We will be filling the blank spaces. Now let's have a look. Some things, some points to be remembered while writing note making. The first point, draw the given structure in the answer sheet. So whatever structure is given as it is, you have to draw first. Whatever structure is given along with the blank space, and whatever blank space is there, you have to underline that blank space also. You have to draw that blank space. So then it will be easy for the examiner to figure out your answer, that this underlined part is your answer. Copy down everything as it is given in the question paper. So you need to copy down everything as it is given in the question paper, including blank spaces. Then the third point, then fill the blank spaces with the jotted points. Avoid cancellations as much as possible. So after all two steps, all these 2 points, you have to be very specific while writing, while filling them in that particular given structure. Because here, as we have seen in marking scheme, that here for note making we have 1 mark for presentation. So completely we have to try to avoid cancellations. But if we cannot attain the perfection while cancellation avoidance, at least we can try to make it least. Now there is one specimen, one example given. So this is the passage which we need to read first thoroughly. We need to understand what's this passage about. And after jotting down some points, when we will jot down the points, first we will read this passage and then we will see the question. The question will be given here, like here all the points are filled already. So we can consider, we can assume like some of the places are blank over here, because all these spaces are filled with the help of this passage only. So after jotting down the points from the given passage, these all points here in this web diagram are filled. So this way we have to fill the blank spaces with the help of given paragraph. We have to avoid lengthy statements, lengthy sentences. We have to try to make it very short. Now thank you everybody for watching this video and listening to me very carefully. Now please do subscribe this channel for more good videos. Thank you once again.